Welcome to GK Mojo. Today we are going to see one word substitution. Very important for bank, SSC and MBA examination. Alright. This is a very healthy practice for your vocabulary as well. Let's get started. First one is one who is not sure about God's existence. Alright. जिसको भगवान के अस्तित्व पे सवाल होता है. It is called as, he is called as agnostic. Okay. Agnostic. Second, a person who deliberately sets fire to building. Arsonist. One who does a thing for pleasure and not as a profession. Amateur. Next one who can use either hand with ease. Okay, so this person is called as ambidextrous. मतलब वो व्यक्ति जो दोनों हाथ से लिख सकता है या काम कर सकता है एट अ टाइम और एनी विच वेज सिंगलली ऑल्सो, मतलब वो लेफ्ट हैंड भी यूज़ कर सकता है और राइट हैंड भी यूज़ कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट वन हु मेक्स एन ऑफिशियल एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ अकाउंट्स. ऑडिटर. अ पर्सन हु बिलीव्स इन और ट्राइज टू ब्रिंग अबाउट अ स्टेट ऑफ लॉलेसनेस. इसको बोलते हैं एनार्किस्ट. नेक्स्ट, अ पर्सन who has changed his faith. इसे बोलते हैं apostate. One who does not believe in existence of God. Atheist. A person appointed by two parties to solve a dispute. Arbitrator. Okay. One who leads an austere life. And the correct answer for this question is ascetic. One who does a thing for pleasure and not as a profession. So we have already seen this, just repeated I guess. Amateur. Next one, an unconventional style of living, and the correct answer is bohemian. Next, one who is bad in spellings. Cacographer. Cacographo. One who feeds on human flesh. Cannibal. This is very important. Please keep this in mind or mark this somewhere. Next, a person who is blindly devoted to an idea, a person displaying aggression or exaggerated patriotism. The correct answer is chauvinist. Okay, this is you. Next, a critical judge of any art and craft. Correct answer is connoisseur. Persons living at the same time. Correct answer is contemporaries. One who is recovering health after illness. Correct answer is convalescent. A girl or woman who flirts with man. The correct answer is coquette. A person who regards the whole world as his country. Cosmopolitan. One who is a center of attraction. Cynosure. One who sneers at the beliefs of others. Cynic. A negative word. Okay, this is very important. A leader or orator who espoused the cause of the common people. Correct answer is demagogue. Alright, demagogue. Again, an important word has appeared in NMAT as well. Next, a person having a sophisticated charm. And the correct answer is debonair. A leader who sways away his followers by his oratory. The correct answer is demagogue. Alright, we have just seen this word. Please mark this. A dabbler, not serious, in art, science and literature. The correct answer is dilettante. One who is for pleasure of eating and drinking. Correct answer is epicure. Insecure. One who often talks of his achievements. Egotist. Egotist. Someone who leaves one country to settle in another. Immigrant. A man who is womanish in his habits. Effeminate. Fe minute. One hard to please. Very selective in his habits. Fastidious. Okay. Fastidious means this is a person who is very hard to please. He's very rough. Okay. One who runs away from justice. Fugitive. Important one. One who is filled with excessive enthusiasm in religious matters. Fanatic. Fanatic. One who believes in fate. Fatalist. Again important one. A lover of good food. Gourmand. Gourmand. Okay. Conferred as an honor. Honorary. Honorary. A person who acts against religion. Heretic. Heretic. Next, a person of intellectual or erudite tastes. And the correct answer is highbrow. A patient with imaginary symptoms and ailments. And the correct answer is hypochondria. Hypochondriac. A person who is controlled by his wife. Henpeck. Important one again. Next, one who shows sustained enthusiastic action with unflagging vitality. And the correct answer is indefatigable. Indefatigable. Someone who attacks cherished ideas or traditional institution. Iconoclast. One who does not express himself freely. Introvert. And the exact opposite of this is extrovert. Who behaves without moral principles. Immoral. A person who is incapable of being tampered with. Impregnable. Important word. Impregnable. So a person who is incapable of being tampered with is called impregnable. Mark this as important. One who is unable to pay his debt. Insolvent. A person who is mentally ill. Lunatic. Lunatic. A person who dislikes humankind and avoids human society. Misanthrope. Misanthrope. This is a person who hates human. Okay. So that's it in this video. Please visit us at gkmojo.com. Thank you.